In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unrestrict someone on Instagram. If you've used the restrict feature, it quietly limits a person's interactions with you. Their comments are hidden from others by default, and their messages land in your requests without alerting them like a block would. Unrestricting reverses that, letting their comments appear normally and moving new messages back to your main inbox. Unlike blocking, you still stay connected. And unlike muting, restrict focuses on limiting how they interact with you. Here's exactly how to lift that restriction using the Instagram app. Start by opening Instagram and tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. In the top right, tap the three-line menu to open the main options. Choose Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy screen, tap Privacy, the one with the padlock icon. Scroll until you see Restricted Accounts and tap it. This page shows every account you've restricted. If you don't see anyone listed, that simply means you haven't restricted any accounts yet. Find the person you want to unrestrict. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if it's available on your device. When you see their name, tap Unrestrict next to it. A quick confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you're ready to lift the restriction, confirm, and you're done. From now on, their new comments on your posts will be visible to others as usual, and their future messages will arrive in your primary or general inbox based on your message settings. They won't be notified that anything changed, so this remains discreet. If you prefer, you can unrestrict directly from their profile. Use the search bar to look up their username and open their profile page. In the top right, tap the three dots to open Profile Options. If you see Unrestrict there, tap it and confirm. If Unrestrict isn't shown, that typically means the account isn't currently restricted, so you don't need to take any further action. Interface wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but the privacy section and the restricted accounts list are the key places to look. If you manage multiple Instagram accounts, make sure you're on the correct profile before you start so you adjust the right restricted list. And remember, you can restrict and unrestrict at any time without sending a notification to the other person. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.